parts of Australia, particularly more rural areas, it has been reported that certain birds, particularly raptors or predatory birds, have been intentionally starting fires in order to, or rather spreading fires in order to hunt their prey. And this is a little scary.
Once the amount of food starts to dry up and the kites think that competition is getting too high, they've been known to carry burning twigs, not much bigger than your finger, in their talons, before dropping it in a patch of savanna up to a mile from the original wildfire. This attempt to create new fires often results in an ignition due to the dry, dense flora of the savanna. Proud of themselves, the kites observe this new growing blaze closely, just waiting for the exodus of small, terrified creatures to come into view due to their pyromaniacal behavior. Once the area is burnt out, the kites will then repeat the process elsewhere.